Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So this is a what I eat in a day video as a vegan teen featuring Trader Joe's because I went to Trader Joe's today and got my groceries there, and I just happened to eat pretty much everything from Trader Joe's today except for my breakfast. So here it is. These eggs taste like eggs, but they're better in my opinion, but they're like $7, so I'm probably not gonna get them again in a while, but they are really good. These blueberries are from Whole Foods. They always have really great blueberries. And then also for breakfast I had that scone. It was a cranberry scone. My sister made them yesterday for her birthday and we just had them left over. So they are so good. I'm definitely going to make a recipe video for that. Okay, so here's my lunch, and then I also had a bread roll from Trader Joe's. They're frozen and you just heat them up. Or actually, no, they're not frozen. We just freeze them and then heat them up. And I spread some vegan butter on that. In my salad is spinach, carrots, tomatoes, lima beans, chickpeas, quinoa, and dried cranberries, and then I added in nutritional yeast, some kelp granules to get my iodine, and some slivered almonds and hemp seeds. Also forgot to say, I also had pumpkin seeds in there, and then the dressing was a miso ginger dressing. For a snack, I had these really good cracker things from Trader Joe's. I've had them a lot of other times too. They're so good. Oh my gosh. But they're made out of like quinoa and beans, edamame and stuff like that. Totally recommend them. And then I also had some pistachios for a snack as well.
Or can you make
Sure.
bloopers?
So for my dinner, I had something else from Trader Joe's, and this is kind of new. At least I've never seen it at my Trader Joe's that I go to. And it was like a peanut butter rice noodle bowl thing, and it had rice noodles with peanut butter dressing, obviously, and then it had peanuts, red bell peppers, green onions, cilantro, cabbage, and carrots. I also had lemongrass dragon fruit kombucha with my dinner. I also had dessert today as well. I made a shortcake a few days ago, which I would love to do a recipe video on that as well. So comment down below if you would like to see a recipe video on that. And along with that, I put some vegan So Delicious whipped cream on it, which is so delicious. Definitely would recommend that whipped cream if you've never tried it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you like these types of videos, because I make a ton of these types of videos, and also recipe videos and other lifestyle videos. So yeah, I will see you later. Bye.